Hey everybody, I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate with Realty Executive Saskatoon, and welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Jamie?
Today we're making a drink called the French Connection.
The French Connection.
The French Connection. Okay, so we're going to take 2 ounces of...
Well, cognac. This is brandy, but...
Yeah, 2 ounces cognac.
1, 2...
This is going to be a sipper. I would not suggest chugging this one quickly.
2.
And then you're going to do 1 ounce of Amaretto on top.
Okay. And of course it's poured on ice. That's about an ounce, eh?
Yep.
Okay. Give her a little stirl. Not a twirl, a stirl.
A stir. Gotcha.
Okay. French Connection.
French Connection.
All right, let's give it a shot. Smooth.
I like it.
Actually, the Amaretto does sort of round it out a
called.
bit. It's not nearly as harsh as I thought it was going to be. I didn't realize that Amaretto is as sweet as it is. Because it definitely sort of rounds out the edge.
It's a nice after-dinner drink.
You like these kind of drinks?
I do.
I like the fruity ones with little umbrellas in it and a little thing hanging off the side. You know, but
I think it's good.
the French Connection. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.